Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to block people in Facebook Messenger. On the Facebook website, click the Messages tab on the far left. Find the person you want to block. Click the three dots at the side. Now click Block Messages at the bottom. A new Facebook pop-up window appears. Click Block Messages again. On mobile, open the Facebook Messenger app. Find the person you want to block. Tap the profile, then tap the information icon at the top right side. Scroll down to block. Tap block. Tap block on Messenger. Finally, tap block again. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.